Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In this tutorial, we'll explore a variety of time-saving Excel shortcuts. Now let's review some common formatting shortcuts to better format your worksheet. To make the text in a selected cell bold, select the cell or text you want to bold and press the Ctrl and B keys simultaneously. To make the text in a selected cell italic, select the cell or text you want to italicize and press the Ctrl and I keys simultaneously. The selected cell or text will be italicized. To underline the text in a selected cell, select the cell or text you want to underline and press the Ctrl and U keys simultaneously. The selected cell or text will be underlined. To open the Format dialog window, select the cell or range of cells you want to format and press the Ctrl and 1 keys simultaneously. The Format dialog box will open. To format as a number, select the cell or range of cells you want to format and press the Ctrl, Shift, and exclamation mark keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be formatted as numbers. To format as currency, select the cell or range of cells you want to format and press the Ctrl, Shift, and dollar keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be formatted as currency. To format as a percentage, select the cell or range of cells you want to format and press the Ctrl, Shift, and % keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be formatted as percentages. To format as a date, select the cell or range of cells you want to format and press the Ctrl, Shift, and hashtag keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be formatted as dates. To format as time, select the cell or range of cells you want to format and press the Ctrl, Shift, and @ keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be formatted as times. Thank you for following this tutorial. Practice using these shortcuts regularly to become more efficient in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.